Alright, welcome to this little tutorial on bases. This is Secret Weapons Corpse Field base. I don't know if you can see the detail or not, but it's got a partial corpse here, a little bit of entrails sticking out the bottom. I chose this one so I can show you a good way to do the bottom of the inside for whenever we go to pour realistic water in it. So this is actually going to be two things. I'm going to paint this here, and then a zombie from my Descent, one of my zombies from Descent. So first things first, it's already primed with Corax White. I'm going to get some Agrax Earthshade and Nolan Oil. Be that one there. That one there. I'm going to put the Earthshade on the bottom, and the Nolan Oil will go on the corpse itself. I do this first so it brings out the detail. Alright, that's it for that. There we go. Now in this video you can really see the detail pop out of it. Now we gotta let that dry. Alright, next step, I'm gonna add Ogre and Camo. Next part, I'm going to work it up, the crud that's growing and attaching to them. See how the brown kind of shines, or well, not shines, but shows through. That's what we're kind of looking for. You don't want it to be a bright green down there, but we're going to wash it again. So, but after this green dries, we're going to apply some paint to the corpse. And then after that paint dries, we're going to wash them both down again. And then after that dries, we're going to add a bit of highlighting to both the corpse and these this weed crap that's growing up to his head. Alright, now that that's dry, we're going to take Screaming Skull and we're going to apply it to the entire corpse. And we'll let that dry and hit it again. Alright, time to add another layer. Let that dry. Alright, next step, Nolan Oil over the whole thing. We're going to lightly do this. That's it, and we're going to let that dry. Alright, this is close to being dry. So with the ochre and green that we used earlier to paint the bottom, just going to get a little bit on my brush and I'm going to do a little highlighting real quick. Most of the surfaces, all the surfaces are pretty much dry. It's just the recesses that still are waiting to dry. We're not even going to touch the recesses. We're going to just kind of hit the ridges of the seaweed here. And now let that dry. Alright, now that it's dry, I'm going to take this guy right here, out the way, cut him off the base, super glue him onto that one. Now, I'm not going to put the super glue on the base. I'm going to dab it to the bottom of his feet. Cap back on. And we'll have him stand like so. All right. Get the guy out of here. Now, you see his feet. Okay, and the amount that we're going to put on going to be just enough to start to come up the, and you can move it around some. The weeds over here that are growing up to his skull, we're going to have it come up about halfway up that. Alright. And go ahead and put some right here at the end of the corpse. And that is that. Wipe off your brush, make sure that you clean it off really good. Now, this realistic water takes about 24 hours to set completely. Finish cleaning off my brush. It will also, this realistic water mess will also screw up brushes, so don't use a good brush that you use to paint with. Alright, once it's completely set, it'll be slightly rubbery in texture. and that's how you use realistic water to fill these bases. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.